If you think as well that there's going to be some sort of deal on the trade front, does that mean that you take a short dollar view from here?
Yes, I mean, I think our view is that the dollar has had a good run. A lot of the factors which were pushing it higher, which we talked about, sort of corporate tax inflows back into the US, the fact that investors were underweight the US, the fact that people didn't appreciate that the Fed was going to be the only game in town. A lot of those factors have run. And in terms of sentiment now, I find that people have gone from being very bearish to the dollar back 4 or 5 months ago to no one really kind of seeing why it should turn around. I do think it's going to be driven by the trade talks. I do think that's arguably the most important thing between now and the end of the year. If you see progress on that, then I think it's a good excuse for people to start to put short dollar positions on. Yeah,
it's interesting what you say about the positioning, because I think hedge funds are short every G10 currency against the dollar for the first time since 2017. So, yeah, it's a fair point on the positioning. But you're not explicitly expressing a short dollar view, right? You're doing it more through the EM channel?
Yes, I mean, one of the things that we always try and look at in our cross-asset strategies is the cross-correlation between the trades we've got. And what you don't want to do is be long EM and be short the dollar and have those trades all going in one direction. So it's okay, so what's the best way of actually expressing that view? At the moment, we've started to put a toe in the water on EM, and we'd rather do that than necessarily short the dollar at this point.